All right, hi, this is Dr. Yvonne and Dax, and then this is Dr. Jen Anaker. She's Dax's chiropractor. So Dr. Anaker and her team have been awesome. They take care of Dax, and she was great at saying, hey, if you need adjustments, even though you're a chiropractor, I'd be willing to take care of him. And I think that's really important that as mom. Sometimes even if you have an expertise, it's too hard to do it on your own kid. So Dax actually has his own chiropractor, and Dr. Jen has been here for 14 years, and she's just an expert with kids. So we're going to video him getting adjusted and getting his power turned on and his immune system boosted. So Dr. Jen, let us know where it goes.
So like Dr. Yvonne said, we're going to take care of Dax today, and Dax is just one of these exceptional children, and you know, just like any child, a child may or may not have a story when they come into the chiropractic office. But at the end of the day, obviously as chiropractors, we understand that the nervous system needs to be communicating properly. And so we've set up a routine to make sure that Dax gets his power turned on or gets his body kind of reset. And just as kids are learning to develop and crawl and walk and all the milestones that they go through, it's just really awesome when they can do it at peak performance. So this is another opportunity for a mom to be able to give their child the gift of health.
Okay.
All right, buddy.
Put his head right here.
Oh, yes. Hi.
Hi.
Yes. Oh, are you going to say hello? Do we have people here?
And Dax loves Dan. Dan is running the camera. Dax loves staring at him.
Hi. Oh, is it you and me again? Yes. Oh, your mama's here. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Open your legs. Oh, will you stay right here? All right, buddy. Oh, my goodness.
You love this, huh? You love
Oh, my
coming.
goodness. Gonna give you your legs, buddy?
He's
There you
been
go. Yeah.
wanting his legs to be
I
straight
see
lately.
that. I
So
see that. Actually, he's pretty good here. So we're gonna go to the head here and just do a little bit of cranial work and just check and see where he's at. Oh, yeah. I do have all your people here today. Yes, buddy. There we go. Good. Well, some very serious moments here, huh? There we go, buddy. Yes. Just you and me, huh?
So we get Dax adjusted, especially more often when he's sick, to help to boost his immune system. We also, if he had a fall, or if there's just anything going on in his health, we call up, we make an appointment, we come, we get him adjusted, and usually he starts feeling better pretty soon afterwards.
There we go. All right, let's have him across your lap, face down. There we go.
And as you can see, it's really gentle. Sometimes people are worried about kids getting adjusted, but it's so gentle, and it makes a huge difference.
There you go, buddy. Oh, what's going on, my friend?
You got a cough going on?
Yeah.
Hey,
I know. What's going on, huh? What's going on,
you
buddy?
squirmy? You want to see your face?
Almost done. I know. You like to rock and roll, don't you, buddy? Yeah, you want to see what's... I know. You're coming up, buddy. Here we go. There we go. Just on your lap for me. And then
Like
just
this?
sit right here facing towards the window. There we go.
Okay. He doesn't want to sit.
Oh, do we not sit today? Is that our
Where are
game?
you going to sit?
Okay, then let's see. No sitting? You looking at my jewels on my...
Here.
There we go,
Okay,
buddy.
there we go.
There we go. There we go. I know. And where are my hands at?
Good job.
Hi. Yes, right there. There we go. Good. Well done. Awesome.
So good. See, very, very easy and gentle. Dax loves it, and now his immune system is boosted. So thank you, Dr.
Yeah,
Jen.
you're welcome. My pleasure. Yeah, you tell him, buddy. You tell him we did great, huh? Yes. Awesome.